How's it going, guys? So I'm back with another video. I'll be unboxing this parcel, the stuff that we bought this time, and we're going to be reselling. Luckily I sold my other two pairs of shoes, the New Balance 2002 Ara, and also at the Nike Vomeros. I sold them for 200,000 Korean won. Yeah, some good profit over there. So I'm gonna be unboxing this stuff, but most of the stuff in here is mostly clothes that I'm gonna be trying. I'm gonna be trying and selling this and raise some money for college. So let's unbox this stuff and see what we have in here. So here's my special knife. It's so quick. Yeah, I was somewhere today, that's why I'm opening very late, but that's why I come back home late rather, because I went to work. You know, even if you do this stuff, you still need a job that provides you security, because the internet can crash anytime. So I'm gonna be showing you guys, there's a lot of good stuff in here. So the first stuff that we have here, I'm gonna start recording by Meta Ray-Bans as well. So the first stuff that we have here is the Supreme shirt. You can see this Supreme shirt is so good. Yeah, you can see Supreme shirt. Oh, sorry. Yeah, this is the Supreme shirt by Sloan. This Supreme shirt is by Sloan. Then we do have a couple of head socks. You can see these, 1, 2, they're the same. Couple of head socks. Yeah, I'm gonna resell these. Then we do have the UGG head sock. You can see I'm gonna resell it. So I'm selling my UGGs this week. Actually, I have a reservation for Wednesday, so I'm gonna be reselling them. Yeah. Then I have some undefeated socks that I tried to buy. They kind of look good. See if we can sell them. Then I have human-made socks. These, yeah, human-made socks. Then we have this super stuff. This is a human-made shirt. You can see, yeah, it's a really good shirt. Yeah, you can see, guys, it has everything. So we're gonna be selling this one for about maybe 100,000. We'll see how it goes. Yeah. Then actually I have a special product. Socks, this couple socks. What's in here? You won't believe. This is the last one. So just more human-made socks. This must be a cap. Let me try and unbox and open it. Must be like a human-made cap. Oh, it's a Carhartt cape actually. Yeah, the human-made cape is here. You can see. I can't see myself now. The screen is blacked out, but I'll try and just move it so you can see. I can see myself. Yeah. Human-made socks. Yeah. Then what do I have in here? What could this be? I don't know what this is. Am I the one that bought this? Oh yeah, some heat dryer, something like that. I don't know what this is, but yeah. Then the last product, these. So I'm gonna put the camera on a different angle so you guys can see. I'm gonna try and put it here. So, oh my god, I'm gonna try and put it here. I hope you guys can see. Oh my god. Oh, look at this. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, these are so tough. Oh, these are so tough. Oh my goodness. Oh my Lord goodness. Oh, these are gonna make me money. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Yeah, guys, that's been me. Thank you for watching. I hope you guys can subscribe. If you want to buy this stuff so cheap, just hit me up and we're gonna sell. Let's make the money, and thank you for watching.